Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp versus Notion. Let's dive into their core functionalities and see how they stack up. ClickUp is a powerful project management platform designed for intricate task tracking and team collaboration. Notion, on the other hand, offers a highly flexible workspace, perfect for notes, wikis, and custom databases. Understanding their fundamental differences is key to choosing the right tool for your needs. When it comes to features, ClickUp boasts over 100 customizable options, including Gantt charts, time tracking, and advanced reporting. Notion provides unparalleled flexibility with its block-based editor, allowing you to build anything from simple documents to complex relational databases. Both offer robust integration capabilities, connecting with many popular third-party applications to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity across your team. Deciding which tool is best often depends on your primary use case. ClickUp shines for teams requiring comprehensive project management, detailed task hierarchies, and robust reporting for large-scale operations. Notion is ideal for individuals and teams who prioritize flexible knowledge management, content creation, and building custom internal wikis. Consider your team's size and the complexity of your projects to make an informed decision. Both ClickUp and Notion offer free plans, allowing you to explore their basic functionalities before committing. Their paid tiers vary significantly, typically based on the number of users and the advanced features included, such as unlimited storage or enhanced security. ClickUp often scales better for larger enterprises with complex project needs, while Notion remains highly adaptable for growing teams focused on knowledge sharing and documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.